Okokobioko, wahala don jam trade again, no. My country people, how una dey? It's your girl Cindy. Una know say for this channel now, ogbonge news I dey bring come. Like as e dey hot, as them dey cook am, na so I dey carry and come give una. So on today's episode, na who dey reign? Na Destiny Etiko, Tramadol, the one and only Nollywood. Yes, now she dey reign. Wetin come bring the whole heat for internet? Yesterday, Destiny posted a picture. This particular one, hey, left tongue wagging. People were like saying, now your Kpomo be this. Why wear such trouser? Why wear such leggings? Look at how your big Kpomo dey show. You wear toto wear. Which kind dressing be this? No, this is bad for a celebrity. What are you advertising? A lot of bashing, a lot of comment. I call all those comments controversial comments. Nigerians, izukwanu nike. Zukwanu nike ke ekpere na ekpe n'isi unu na-arụ ọrụ. So person cannot live her life again for this Nigeria where we dey. If you do this one, problem. Do that one, It's Christmas, so we need to be preaching love. We need to be standing out for each other and not to be bashing it. Wetin dey wrong for this thing where this girl wear now? Abi, she shaking her the other day. Problem. Now na her totalato una dey chook eye for. Wetin carry una eye go there? Wetin una dey find for person down? If not for Amibo, I for say make I no just talk, but no. As Amibo get why, I say no. I need to bring this thing up to my people for them to see it, Kwano. Their eyes need to see. Their eyes need to chop. So now why I say no. Let me bring this. This is what my people need. They need to digest some kind of news, you know. Now why I carry and can't give una? Nigerians, may una take am easy. Everything no be giddy. May una cut some slack for the babe. The babe is trying. It's not easy. It's not easy to be on your screen from January to December. She deserves love. She deserves to be happy. Drama door to the world. Even if na her totalato show, make una leave up. No be una own. She drop picture, comment say the picture fine. The picture no fine. The picture fine scatter. May una comment for her beauty. May una leave her down region. You know consign una. But the Kpomo people make I no lie. The thing can't look like say Destiny come wear the thing for my eye. Kpomo big well. Wetin dey happen? Etiko nwa. Adudi. See fine girl. Anyway, and the news I say make I carry come gift my people. And I know say na me girl be this. And thank you all for the love. I appreciate. Thank you for sticking around. God bless you.